Hello, I'm Richard Bosshart, and I'm a tax consultant, and I have been certified by the IRS. What's a lot more important for you, however, is to come to a person like me, because I spent the last 40 years living in Switzerland, doing business all over Europe, and I've been through the expatriate tax filing routine for many years, and for the last 15 years I've had my own consulting company and helped a lot of clients with their expatriate returns. For the uninitiated, it's a myriad of forms that you have to use and little rules you have to remember, and that's why it's helpful to have someone like me guide you through it. Now, let me explain, first of all, that being an independent consultant, my fees are going to be a lot lower than the CPA firms. And we can do your return on a one-to-one basis. I always like to try to meet my clients the first time around, and I go back to Switzerland every summer to do just that. Here's how I will work. We will establish telephone contact, and then we can discuss at no charge to you what your tax situation is. You know, for example, you might have to wait till next year in order to qualify for overseas residency. That's just one example of the things you have to know in order to exclude your income. You must file a return, of course, if you're over a certain minimum income and use or include all worldwide sources of income. But most of it can be either excluded, and that's called overseas earned income exclusion, or using direct foreign tax credits against U.S. tax liability. So that's what I can help you best with, and if you just click on my website down below on the link, we'll get started. You can give me a phone call and we can go through your situation. At that point, I will write a written proposal to you of what I'm going to do and how much it'll cost and how far it will carry onwards. By that I mean, if we file a return for you and in the future the IRS writes you a nasty letter questioning things on that return, that's included in my price to help figure out what you have to do next.